Bien, bonjour. Alors, français 1, nous étudions la leçon 6 et nous finissons le chapitre 3. Alors, hier, nous étudions il y a beaucoup de. Il y a beaucoup de means there is a lot of, or there are a lot of. And y a-t-il is there or are there. So we will continue with y a-t-il beaucoup de ou il y a beaucoup de. Il y a beaucoup de means there is a lot of. We do not ever write a lot ofs in English, do we? Oh, I eat a lot of chocolate, a lot of candies. No. A lot of chocolate, a lot of candy. So, a lot of is not possible. And it is not possible in French either. So, it's always beaucoup de, de, or beaucoup de, d apostrophe. But never beaucoup de, des. What? It seems like that, okay? So, I'm just accepting it and I'm not fighting it. Bien. So, if I say, voilà, il y a un livre sur les autres livres. There's a book on the other books. Mais il y a beaucoup de livres français dans ma bibliothèque. Oui? Il y a beaucoup de livres hébreux dans ma bibliothèque. D'accord? Il y a beaucoup de livres d'art dans ma bibliothèque. Il y a beaucoup de, there's a lot of. Il y a beaucoup de leçons dans le livre. Il y a beaucoup d'étudiants dans la classe. Il y a beaucoup de voitures, d'automobiles à Los Angeles. Not right now, by the way. We're supposed to have the best air quality in the country. After that, it's San Francisco, and then it's Portland. How'd you like that? So, il y a beaucoup de gens disciplinés à Los Angeles. There are a lot of disciplined people in Los Angeles. Why are they disciplined? Because they follow the rules and regulations. Okay? Il y a beaucoup de, there is a lot of. Okay? So when do I have il y a beaucoup d apostrophe? I have beaucoup d apostrophe if the noun starts with a vowel. Par exemple, il y a beaucoup d'étudiants dans la classe. So étudiant starts with a vowel. I have d apostrophe. And then if I have an H, because the H in French is mute, right? In English, the hot. Hey, hi, how are you? It's all your lungs are working when you pronounce the H. For us, it's very silent. So, il y a beaucoup d'hôtels, oui, à Paris. There are a lot of hotels in Paris. Right. Good. So, again, beaucoup de means a lot of. Beaucoup d apostrophe means a lot of, with a noun that starts with a vowel or a noun that starts with an H. Good? Yeah. And I can never say a lot of. So now, allow me, I shall sit down. And I wish to read with you the lesson. Alice a beaucoup de patience. Alice has a lot of patience. So here we see beaucoup de, followed by a noun that is singular. Can I measure patience? No. It's like when your lovers say, oh, I love you more. No, you love me more. No, impossible. So, impossible to measure patience. Alice a beaucoup de patience. She has a lot of patience. But look on the other side. Il y a beaucoup de voitures en ville. There are a lot of cars in the city. So here the noun is plural. Okay? And I have given you in the demo only nouns that were plural. So let's go back to the lesson. J'ai beaucoup de travail. J'ai beaucoup de travail. I have a lot of work. Singular. Il y a beaucoup de bibliothèques sur le campus. Hein? There are a lot of libraries on campus. And it's true, UCLA has lots and lots of libraries. Jack est musicien. Il a beaucoup de talent. Nous avons beaucoup d'énergie. Oh, wait. Oh, together. Alors, j'ai beaucoup de livres. I have a lot of books dans ma chambre. In my room. J'ai beaucoup de livres dans ma chambre. Vous avez beaucoup d'amis à l'université. So on one side I have nous avons beaucoup d'énergie. Energy singular. Et vous avez beaucoup d'amis à l'université. Amis is plural. Okay, thank God you have lots of friends. Mes frères ont beaucoup d'imagination. My brothers have a lot of imagination. Imagination is singular. But go to the other side. Nous avons beaucoup d'arbres dans notre jardin. We have a lot of trees in our garden. Nous avons beaucoup d'arbres dans notre jardin. Good. Vous avez beaucoup de courage. You have a lot of courage. Il y a beaucoup d'autobus à Paris. There are a lot of buses in Paris. So you can use il y a beaucoup de followed by a noun that's singular, or il y a beaucoup de followed by a noun that is plural. However, you can never say beaucoup de. And second rule, you always have to remember if the noun starts with a vowel or an H, you have to put the apostrophe. Are we good? All right, so you're going to reread this lesson and prepare it for tomorrow. And tomorrow we will go together over page 61, exercise 6. All right? So, bonne chance, good luck, study hard. À bientôt. Au revoir. For your information, time telling, I had recorded it previously, and it will be posted along with those videos. So you'll see me with short hair. All right, enjoy that. Ciao. Bon weekend. God bless you. Stay safe. Don't go out. Take good care of yourself. Love yourself. And be kind to others. Bye-bye. Ciao.